Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to remove a seatbelt on a Ford Transit. So the tools you need is different size screwdrivers, a large one, a medium sized one, and a small one. You'll need a magnet. This is very useful to retrieve your tools, to retrieve the screws and you'll need a ratchet with the T50 Torx bit. Also a Phillips screwdriver or a power drill like this. It just makes it easier to remove all the screws. Okay, so let's start. I like to start by pulling the seat forward, and next we'll remove that screw there. It's also useful and handy to have a container you can just put all the bolts in. Next step is to remove these two levers here on the seat. What you want to do is with your screwdriver, you want to get in there, just pull it out like that until it's out like that, and same thing with this side. When they're both out like that, you can grab your medium-sized screwdriver It's a bit hard to do it one-handed, but I'll try. It comes out like that, and they both come out like that, and then this just pulls out. There are screws in here as well, but most of the time you'll find this is broken. There's a Phillips screw in there. If your one is not broken, you'll have to take that out. So when you got that screw removed, and the two clips I just showed you, this just pulls out. And that reveals the T50 Torx of the seatbelt. You want to remove that once you remove this panel here. So you'll need to remove this whole panel. So it's held in by two screws at the top. One here, just under the seatbelt. Another one here, and another one right down there. So as you probably heard, that screw head was a bit damaged, but anyway, when you remove the screw, it'll be in there with your magnetic tool. Go in there and just pull it out. After many years of doing this, that makes life so much easier when you have a magnetic tool, so it prevents you from hunting and looking for your lost screws. So that's the next one down there, the other one there, and the other one there. We'll just take it out and I'll show you what to do next. Now when it comes to removing this top cap here that covers that bolt, it's a bit of a trick to doing that. You want to get your screwdriver in to the back here. You want to get it in between where you can see the plastic. There's little clips there, and then it will pop out. I'll try and show you that as much as. See how that's popped up from there? The clip. At the back, you can go ahead and just push it. That's what I was talking about. Those two grooves there get clipped into the seat belt there. So when you have this out, you can go ahead and remove the T50. Take note of the orientation on how this buckle goes on the seat rail here. You want to match that up exactly the same. You'll also find it quite difficult because Ford uses Loctite on all their bolts. You'd want to do the same when replacing the seatbelt. There's two washers here, make sure you don't lose either one. There's a middle one here, and then there's a fiber one here. You have to take this top buckle off in order to get to the bottom base of where the seat belt's mounted to the body. This is the final torque screw there. Make sure you remember that this bolt with the thick washer goes here at the bottom base, and then this just pulls out like so. Then you want to pull the whole buckle and everything through that plastic trim. Again, take note of the orientation. When you put it back, you want the buckle facing out like that. There's your complete seatbelt. Hope that was some help to someone. Please like and subscribe. Thanks everyone.